fuck are you doing? Jesus fucking Christ. Fuck me.
So we're watching this grey car, it's just going to pull right out on you. Oh, stop! Oh my god.
What'd I do?
We just carry on now.
They did 600. KTM Duke 690.
Yeah, I mean something like that would probably do you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think you'd want a sport like. I think for your first bike, whatever it is your first bike, if you've just done your full license. Correct me wrong. I think it's quite good to have like a bike that you're quite upright on, and you're not leant over like a super sport bike.
Why?
I just
a CBR 650, you're not leant over like you are on an S1000R. You are still quite upright. It's a happy middle ground.
Yeah.
You can be on the motorway for hours on end. And
I feel embarrassed now talking about it, but as long as you hydrate, because I was hydrating myself through it, and also. No way, that's fucking ridiculous.
Pork is considered red meat. Some cuts of pork are considered white under the culinary definition, but all pork is considered red meat in nutritional studies. So does that mean? Do you mean to tell me?
Look at that.
T-shirts are the worst thing.
There is traffic congestion on A316 with a delay of 8 minutes due to queuing traffic.
You can't hang a T-shirt because it fucks with
You
the
can
neck.
though, can't you? Or can you not?
Fucks with the neckline, man.
So what do you do? What do you do?
Well, there's.
You can't hang a T-shirt because it fucks with the neck. You can though, can't you? Or can you not? Fucks with the neckline, man. So what do you do? What do you do? Well, there's actually these little fault lines.
Go down there proud in the fact that you stood by yourself, and if they give you any problem, hit 999, and make sure that you get someone down there, or you call someone to come and help you out. But like, it's I don't think they do anything. I think that and if they did, then.
At the traffic light.
Hey, what's this? Look around cars just sneaked up left hand side. DL9LWR, look at that. He's gone, man, we're still sat here. Oh my lord. And then, black cars done the same thing.
kind of dazed disbelief. My God, I know. Yes, you are the 6 men that Ciaran had snatched. Moon rose, we slept. But we were awoke just before dawn. A fierce storm was blowing.
Denied. Denied.